Jumping into the world of AI-assisted coding, both Replit and Cursor offer unique approaches to speeding up development, but they cater to slightly different needs and workflows. Starting with Replit, it's a full-featured online integrated development environment, IDE, that supports dozens of programming languages and provides instant cloud-based workspaces. What sets Replit apart is its focus on collaboration and accessibility. You can code, run, and share projects from anywhere without needing to set up your own environment. Replit also features Ghostwriter, an AI-powered assistant that helps generate code snippets, complete functions, and even debug your projects in real time. This combination of Cloud IDE and AI makes it a great platform for beginners, educators, and teams who want to prototype quickly or work together remotely. Cursor, on the other hand, is an AI-powered coding assistant designed to integrate directly with your local code editor, like VS Code or JetBrains IDEs. It acts more like an intelligent co-pilot, suggesting code completions, generating boilerplate, and helping you write faster without leaving your preferred development environment. Cursor leverages advanced AI models to understand context deeply, providing code that fits naturally within your project. Unlike Replit, which is a full cloud IDE, Cursor enhances your existing local setup with AI-driven productivity boosts. One advantage of Replit is that it removes all barriers to getting started. There's no installation or configuration, just open a browser and start coding. Its multiplayer editing and built-in hosting also simplify sharing and deploying small applications or prototypes quickly. Meanwhile, Cursor's strength lies in seamless integration and context-aware assistance that feels like an extension of your development environment rather than a separate tool. In terms of target users, Replit is excellent for those who want an all-in-one cloud workspace with AI help and collaboration features baked in. It's popular among students, hobbyists, and teams who value ease of use and instant setup. Cursor suits professional developers who prefer working in familiar IDEs but want an AI assistant that enhances their coding speed and accuracy without disrupting their workflow. Both tools are pushing AI-assisted development forward, but from different angles. Replit by combining Cloud IDE and AI coding in one platform, and Cursor by embedding AI directly into traditional code editors. Your choice depends largely on whether you prefer a web-based, collaborative environment or an AI-powered enhancement to your existing local IDE. In summary, if you want zero setup and a browser-based coding playground with AI features, Replit is a solid pick. But if you're looking for deep AI integration inside your favorite desktop editor, Cursor offers a powerful and natural way to boost productivity. Either way, both are great examples of how AI is transforming how we write software.